What's going on, guys? In today's video, I want to show you 7 websites that have made over $1 million with affiliate marketing, and some of them are even making over $1 million per month. And what I'm going to do is show you these 7 websites and break down how they're making this money. And you might be surprised at how much money these websites actually make. It's crazy. So if you've ever thought to yourself, maybe you want to start affiliate marketing, or you think affiliate marketing isn't possible, you definitely want to watch this video, because it could be an eye-opener for you to actually show you how much money there really is to be made online with affiliate marketing. One of my websites recently, you might have seen the video maybe a month or so ago, I talked about how one of my own websites cost $100,000 per month in affiliate marketing commissions. So it is possible to actually do it, and I have multiple websites doing quite well online with affiliate marketing, but the one that hit 100,000 is our first one that's hit 100,000 with 100% organic Google traffic. Now, these 7 websites I consider passive income, because what they do is they actually create content that gets traffic from Google, so organic traffic. So once they put the content out there, it sits there and they don't really do any work to those articles, they never do any work again, and it makes them money. Yes, sure, they do have to keep the website maintained, they do have to put out new content, but I do class these websites as passive income, because as someone that has affiliate marketing websites himself, I do know that most of the content does end up becoming passive income, because I myself make money from content that I put out a long time ago and I've never touched again. So let's jump into the video and I'll show you these 7 websites. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. And guys, you know that we are still doing the competition for the course or the cash, but we will be stopping it soon. I'm not sure what video. All you've got to do is comment below. You've got to find the emoji in this video, comment below emoji plus course, or emoji plus cash. You know the drill, depending on what you want. If you want cash, do the cash one. If you want course, do the course. And I'll put the winners up on the screen from the last video. Once again, we're doing 2. So let's jump into the video, guys. I'm going to show you these 7 websites that have made over $1 million to hopefully inspire you to go and start your own affiliate marketing website online. So this first site, guys, is actually one of my favorites, because I'm actually in this niche myself. Now, I do know that this website makes over $500,000 per month. That's what the word on the street is, so it makes quite a lot of money. Now, what this website does is, we're not really going to focus on the front page, because that's irrelevant at this point. But what they do is they actually do tutorials on how to build a website, how to create an online store, how to start a blog, how to register a domain name, and they do tutorials on specific platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and WordPress. They do comparisons. If we had a website building, how to create an online store. Actually, let's go to how to create a blog, because I think this is one of their main ones that makes a lot of money. But this is called the website startup. But if we go down, you'll notice that with this particular website, they have very in-depth content. And this is what Google really likes right now. So basically, they have these steps here so people can click on these and it takes them to a specific step. This is really what Google likes. They tell people how long it's going to take them to to read this, to actually do the blog, and the difficulty. So when people come to this website, they see straight away whether this is for them or not. And if they stay, then they're going to be engaged people. Now, if we go down, you'll see they also have a video as well, which is what Google likes. They like websites that have videos as well. But how this website makes their money, guys, over $500,000 per month, they actually make the money by this here. This is a website called Bluehost. If I click on this, it's going to take me to Bluehost. Now, if I start a website through this link, these guys are going to get a commission. So they're going to actually make money. So as you can see here, it says exclusive offer for fans of website setup. And they actually have their own picture here and stuff like that. So this is actually going to give them higher conversions. Now, I think they probably make over $130 per sign up, because that's what I make, and I don't get anywhere near as much traffic as them. But that's how they make their money. So they are a niche website based on how to start websites, blogs, and stores. And they make a lot of money via affiliate marketing. That's how they. And if we go to the one here, how to build an online store, they make their money through, so this would be an affiliate link here. This will be an affiliate link probably as well. And they've got Bluehost as well. And they've got WooCommerce that they would make money from as well. So they'll make money from people using this plugin. This one here is called the Wirecutter. Now, it got bought by New York Times for around about 30 million. These guys make millions per month. If we scroll down and we go to this here, So actually that's the wrong one. If we go to like this here, so they actually make affiliate commissions. This website makes millions and millions of dollars, but they make affiliate commissions by reviewing products. And if we click on these products and open up a couple of them, it actually goes to a website. So this website here, if someone purchases from this website, they're going to make a commission from this purchase. And the same with this website here. All right, so they actually sign up to specific websites to become an affiliate. They're not using Amazon Associates, well, they do sometimes, but this is what they do. They recommend other products. Now, I'm actually not going to touch much on this website because a lot of you guys probably already know what this is. It's a huge website. They essentially review products and appliances and talk about money, travel and stuff, but primarily review products. And what they do is they get an affiliate marketing commission when someone purchases through this thing here. Okay, when someone actually clicks that link and makes a purchase. And that's the Wirecutter. Now, this is one of my favorite websites. This is in the finance niche. And this website makes a huge amount of money as well. It's one of the main finance websites. Now, what they do is they do things on like best loans, best mortgages, mortgage rates and stuff, investing. So let's go to best brokers for stocks, right? I haven't actually looked at this. I have no idea what's about to pop up. But if we go to this one here, 11 best online brokers, and we actually go down, it says open an account. So these guys probably get a commission from these guys, some sort of commission structure when people open up an account with them. Open an account. So that's pretty straightforward. But if we go to credit cards, best credit cards of 2020, what happens is they will actually also get commissions or some sort of cash back or some sort of points when people sign up to credit cards through these links. You can literally make money in any type of niche online. There's always something or some sort of product that you can make money from. So people think that when they start a blog, they have to do something in the finance niche or something like that. You can do a blog in fishing, sewing, knitting. It doesn't matter. There's always products to promote to make money. The next one is called Best Reviews. It's kind of like the Wirecutter. Well, it's exactly the same really. But these guys do more in-depth reviews on products. So if we go to the best dehumidifiers, these guys have a really, really nice structure. And they actually, I think, make a lot of their money from Amazon. Yeah, so they basically get a commission every single time someone purchases a product from Amazon, right? It's called Amazon Associates. But you'll notice that these guys put in a lot of hours and everything. Like this is a huge website. It takes a long time to build up this authority. But if you can start something small, there's nothing stopping any of you guys from making a little bit of money on the side from a website. Like this is obviously completely out of most people's league. They have an entire team that they probably pay thousands of dollars per week to, full-time team. But there's nothing stopping anybody else from getting to that point. It just takes quite a few years of work. But this is bestreviews.com, one of the main websites online that reviews products and primarily makes their income via Amazon Associates. So if we click on automotive, best radar detectors, so it just says best radar detectors, that's it. And they've got all of the information here and people click on those links and they make an affiliate marketing commission. Now, the Points Guy is one of my favorite sites. Now, the Points Guy, how they make money is via cards as well. So they basically have a full website about travel, and that's how they bring in their traffic in the travel niche. And they promote these points cards because when people travel, they want to get points so they can get free travel. For example, I have credit cards, and I could probably travel for free for the rest of my life because I spend hundreds of thousands of dollars per month on advertising. Well, I use credit cards. So this is how they make their money. They compare credit cards just like the other website, and they get some sort of affiliate commission or some sort of point structure themselves for promoting these particular credit cards. I don't really know much about American credit cards because I'm not in America, but they will be getting something from this. And what they do is they actually write these blog posts. So for example, this blog post here, they write this blog post based on a specific topic to bring people into their website, okay? Then once they have these people in their website, they're going to click on these links, they're going to click on the sidebar, and that's how they get people to, they're not directly trying to sell a product. They're bringing them in by doing a blog post on 9 things to know about visiting a national park right now. And people are probably searching stuff like that. They come in and they're like, oh, wow, I might get this credit card, or I might, I want to get some points or some bonuses. That's how it works. They're not directly trying to force products down people's throat. They just have them there if people are interested in getting these cards or products. And they also make money from advertising as well. So they make money from advertisement down here. But they also have all of these links in here where people click to other pages on their websites, like for this one example. And people go down this deep rabbit hole clicking on all of these links. And eventually, people are probably going to click on these and buy these or get these credit cards. The next one that I like is apparently this website makes millions as well. So these guys essentially make their money once again by doing reviews on products. Buy these great motorcycle helmets today, have them in your hands tomorrow. Now, if we go down, it says shop now. This is actually going to take us to bikebandit.com. And they also would make money from advertising. But bikebandit.com, they would get an affiliate marketing commission. So they'll get some sort of commission. Let's see if we can see down here. So affiliates, right? So they would sign up as affiliates. And this particular website, they don't say how much they're going to pay out. But usually it can be 5%, 10%, 15, 20, things like that. So they offer free shipping on orders of $99. But you essentially sign up, you become an affiliate, and you can get anywhere from 1%. Mostly these independent websites and companies, most of them are going to have a higher commission than Amazon. They're usually like 10 to 15%, even up to 20%. If someone purchases this product through your website. So that's the gearpatrol.com. And here's actually some more stuff here. So 7 lightweight and breathable summer face masks. And once again, this website here, Hamchester or something. What is that called? Yeah. So on this one here, so they have different websites, right? And they would have signed up to it as an affiliate on all of these websites. Now, I have a website where I sign up to hundreds of affiliates. It takes a long time. I have an affiliate manager, but if you just get like a couple of dollars per day, literally from all of these links, it really starts to add up. Now, this one here is an example of a great niche site. So this is a micro niche kind of thing. So, well, golf in general, but to me it's a micro niche because it's specifically focused on one niche. They're not reviewing tons of different products in tons of different industries. But once again, they're doing products. They're doing reviews on specific products, right? So specific putters, specific drivers, specific golf sets, and things like that. If we go down here, and they also have advertising. So advertising is another great way. As you can see, I've been looking at headsets. This is a retargeting ad, but advertising is a great way to go out and add extra income to your blog. We have a blog that makes around about $2,000 of extra income per month just from having advertisements on the blog. So these guys will get a commission when someone purchases a $400 putter. Now, if we go down here, okay, they don't actually have the affiliate thing. I'm trying to find out how much commission it is. But let's say if that's 10% commission, that's $40, So that's a pretty good commission if it was 10%. Even 5%, that's $20. So that is called the golfspy.com. mygolfspy.com. And it's a very, very good example of a website that you can go and create to go and earn commissions online. And build out these blog websites. Now, if you're interested in creating websites like this, those were some examples. I actually teach people how to start affiliate marketing websites in my training. I take them through step by step on how to start an affiliate marketing business from scratch, primarily building blogs, but we also cover funnels and stuff as well. So we do starting the foundation, building the website and stuff, the niche research, the website academy. Then we do the funnels, email marketing. We dive into ClickBank, Amazon Associates, search engine optimization, paid traffic, free traffic, launch jacking. We also show you how to do the web hosting stuff, so how to make money from that. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail here. If you do want to check it out, you can click the link in the description, and I'll show you how to start your own affiliate marketing business. Here's some results from some of our students. But if you're looking for some free ways to make money online, I will leave some videos up on the screen that will take you through step by step your own affiliate marketing business online, and these videos are completely free. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, leave a comment below, and I'll see you on the next video.